The Chinese nationals and a Ghanaian collaborator, Asamoah Kati, were arrested after a Kumasi High Court, presided by His Lordship, Justice Emmanuel Senyo Amedahe, granted an absconding warrant. They were arrested whilst mining gold under the protection of armed guards on land earmarked for a school. The convicts, who could not meet the bail condition of 200,000 Ghana cedis each, with two sureties, were ordered by the court to deposit their passports and work permits for fear of absconding before the final determination of the case. They have since remained in prison custody since April 19, 2021, until Thursday when the court ordered their deportation. The court gathered 3 of the convicts had presented through their lawyer passport retention slips dated February and March. The court also heard 3 of the convicts applied for renewal of permits on May 4, 2021. But the court held that was impossible since they were in prison custody. Presiding Judge, His Lordship Justice Amedahe, faulted officials at the Kumasi office of the Ghana Immigration Service for deliberately accepting applications of the convicts against their mandates. Such applications, according to the court, are only done at the national headquarters. He appealed to Interior Minister to reconsider the use of discretion by immigration officers to issue resident permits to foreigners who arrive in the country on sister-day visas. Among reliefs sought by the plaintiffs were declaration that the defendants' mining activities were illegal, damages for trespassing, and loss of the use of the land. They also sought special damages for destruction of foundation structures of development projects at a cost of 500,000 Ghana cedis. Lawyer for plaintiffs Hans Kojokodia tells Joy News his clients expected more from the court.
Lands belonging to my clients at airport residential area, and those lands were earmarked for industrial and commercial developments. All these pieces of land have been destroyed. So we're asking the court to give us some amount of money representing the value of the land that they had destroyed, and also asking for compensation. But as the court indicated, the interest of the state is paramount and is superior to that of an individual. Therefore, once they were not legally in the country, our interest against them will not be considered, above that of the country. So virtually we are getting nothing. But if it is the interest of the country, then once they are deported, everything comes to a halt. We've gotten nothing out of it. It's a disappointment though, but they say it is the interest of the state.
Counsel for the Chinese nationals, Benjamin Ando, is also not satisfied with the ruling. He says he will confer with his clients for the next line of action.
We are so dissatisfied with the ruling, but that is the ruling of the court. In fact, we are bound by it. For now, I'll have to talk to my clients, take further instructions from them so that we know the next step to take.
As the convicts were being sent back to the Kumasi Central prisons, the Ghanaian mistress of one of the Chinese appeared at the premises with 3 children, including a 4-day-old baby. 27-year-old Rebecca Oforiwa, who has been married to Lan Hanson since 2018, wailed as she pleaded for leniency for her husband. She told Joy News deporting her husband could spare doom for her and the case.
Papa nipa wa hwa me ni mabusua nyina na hwa me seso ma we na ni 4 days akura frument misra Ghana for why papa onye nipa boni ni mama ne kwa me ne me ya be Ghana for me so mo ka bi mami o mini mame me umi papa so de.
The accused persons were found guilty of violating sections 23(1) and 35(1)(d) of the Immigration Act 2000 Act 573. From Kumasi for Joy News, Ohimidiria reporting.